Automatic decorticator. Automatic decorticator is a new type of fiber extraction equipment, mainly consists of 4 devices. The first device is conveyor belt. This conveyor transfers the material in the production line, which makes production line more convenient and more automatic. The material was transferred to next step. Weighing machine. This machine weighs the material and then transfers to next equipment. Twin drum decorticator. Twin drum decorticator was in good design, which can extract the fiber with high quality and high efficiency. The processed materials were pushed forward by the chain. The last device is dewatering machine. With water pressure devices, fiber easy to dry. Finally, we received the finished product in a terminal. Thank you for your watching. If you need further information, free to contact us.